Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. Winding down the day again. I love coming out here when it's nice and quiet. We're going to take a look at this baby right here, 16 by 60. This is the only floor plan that we do in a 16 by 60 in the Aspire series, and this home is called the Attica. I've showcased this several times on my channel because it's so popular. You can see the window is kind of offset right here. That's because we're going to see a bathroom over there. This is going to be the 2-bedroom version, and you can pick this baby up for $67,000. So, recap: Attica, 2-bed, 2-bath in the video, $67,000. You can notice first off that we've got 2 exterior lights on each end. That tells me right away there's going to be a package. You can see a lot of people get that package, putting the hitch lights on the end. I think that's a great feature, especially if your driveway is right there, because you're going to be nice and lit up and safe and be able to see to get in your house. This is a tight fit down here, boys. Okay, let me see. This customer kept everything pretty simple, I can tell, because no shutters or trim around the windows, and that's okay because a lot of these homes are going to be out in rural settings, so it's not necessary to keep up with the Joneses because there's no Joneses. It's just you and the wild out there, right? All right, walking into the home, when you do the 2-bedroom version, it's going to give you an extra large living area because you're losing a bedroom. So let me go stand over in this corner and get a nice pan of the full space. About that. Going into the kitchen area, it's hard to tell where the kitchen stops and starts and the living room stops. So let me get you another view here. Colonial Cove over the windows, that's part of that package as well. Molded trim at the top. Let me get you a little bit closer so you can see it. That's what I'm talking about here, the nice molded trim. Remember, if you've ever seen my videos where there's standard trim, it's just a flat trim around the windows and doors. You're always going to have, when you have a VOG wall like we have here, Casper Cashmere, you're always just going to have a batten strip for the bottom for the trim. But we are always going to put a piece of trim at the top. Now, how fancy you want that trim is up to you. 46 by 61 window. This will tilt in for easy cleaning all the way in. Dual paned, single hung, meaning it only opens from the bottom. And like I said, it's nice and convenient because you can tilt it in and clean it. All right, let's head back towards this way. Now, this customer did a door move because normally this back door is actually down there. And I'm so happy to see that they put windows in here because those are options. Normally, there's nothing on that wall, and it's just kind of weird and plain and dark unless you add these windows. So this was a very great idea by this customer. By the way, my coworker Justin built this house for his friends. We've got 3 housing consultants here, me, Justin, and Xavier. So when you call in, make sure you ask for the Mobile Home Mama. Here's bedroom number 2. Now, also an extra window in this bedroom. Look how nice and bright it is. So compared to this, that's the bathroom, and this, night and day. So whenever you guys can add windows, I just encourage you to make sure that you do. I can tell right away we've got perimeter heat over there up against the wall. That's going to put your register up against the wall. And then this is a nice spacious closet. Especially for a secondary bedroom, this will be perfect. I'm not sure what the customer had in mind. I think this customer is going to be very happy with this home. Here's bath number 2. Hi everybody, good to see you today. And they kept this bathroom very plain as well. We got a 3-bulb light strip up there. That's a standard feature. Single vanity. And I am happy to say, try not to make you guys too dizzy, that I really like this color combination. So notice we've got a cool Nordic white on the floor. Then it gets warm with the Timberwolf cabinets. And we've got hardwood doors. Remember, if you look at your doors, and it looks like a jigsaw puzzle piece, that's a hardwood door. And quartz frost on the top. You can't, it's hard to see, but there's a nice marbly pattern right here. 30 by 36 window over the sink, that's pretty common. They did a gas stove and a microwave over the range. Heading back towards the primary bedroom. Here's the laundry area. Washer dryer cabinets. Remember, you want to add something because it's not going to come with anything. You're either going to want to add these cabinets for $287 or a shelf for $47. Here's the primary bedroom. And finally, the primary bath. Tub shower combination, vanity, and toilet. There you have it, folks. 16 by 60. We call this home the Attica. You can reach me at 260-383-1009. I'm going to have a website up very soon where you can talk to me on that also. That'll be www.mobilehomemama.net. It is under construction now, almost finished. So I'll unveil that. You guys can see some videos on there. And as always, thanks for watching.